Welcome to Best Reviews. If you're looking to elevate your creativity, capture breathtaking aerial shots, or simply explore the skies with cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones in 2025, featuring the latest innovations, powerful features, and the best picks for every type of flyer. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button to stay updated with all our future reviews. And if you want to learn more about any of the drones featured today, you can check the product links in the description box. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Potensic ATOM SE, a lightweight powerhouse coming in at under 249 grams, meaning no FAA registration needed and making it perfect for travel. Despite its compact size, it uses strong, brushless motors and offers level 5 wind resistance, giving you stable, confident flights. The ATOM SE is a dream for long sessions thanks to its 93-minute total flight time across 3 batteries and a 60-watt fast parallel charging hub that charges all batteries in just 1.5 hours. Its 4K EIS camera, with a Sony 1/3-inch CMOS sensor, captures smooth 12-megapixel photos and 4K/30 frames per second video with shake-vanish stabilization, and the wide 118-degree FOV, plus/minus 90 degrees to plus 20 degrees tilt, lets you film creatively from every angle. Coming in at number 4 is the DJI Flip, a sub-249-gram drone packed with premium features and designed for ultra-safe flights thanks to its full-coverage carbon fiber propeller guards, perfect for beginners and indoor flying. Its 1.3-inch CMOS sensor captures impressive detail, delivering crisp shots and vibrant colors whether you're filming landscapes or portraits. With 4K/60 frames per second HDR video, sunrise and sunset footage looks breathtaking, giving your content a cinematic touch. The DJI Flip is travel-ready, compact, and does not require FAA registration, making it super convenient to carry anywhere. At number 3, the Antigravity A1 steps in with one of the most futuristic drone experiences of 2025. It's equipped with a stunning 8K 360-degree camera, allowing you to fly first and frame your shots later, a game-changing feature for creators. Weighing just 249 grams, it remains travel-friendly, while offering a fully immersive flight experience through dual 1-inch micro OLED FPV goggles that deliver true cinematic immersion. The A1 includes 2 control styles: free motion mode, which lets you fly using natural hand movements, and FPV mode for traditional precision flying. With 24-minute and 39-minute battery options, users can choose between quick flights or extended sessions. Flying into the number 2 spot is the compact yet powerful DJI Neo 2, a beginner-friendly drone loaded with high-end features normally found in larger models. It includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing, ensuring safe flights even in tight spaces, plus palm takeoff and landing, gesture controls, and the popular selfie shot mode for instant cinematic selfies. With Active Track, the Neo 2 follows subjects smoothly, making it perfect for sports, travel, and vlogging footage. Despite its tiny size, it offers 4K high-quality imaging, producing clear, vibrant video and photos. The protective full-coverage propeller guards give extra safety for indoor flying or for new pilots still learning. And taking the number 1 spot as the best drone to buy in 2025 is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Creator Combo, a flagship beast built for professionals. It features a revolutionary 100-megapixel Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS camera, capable of shooting 6K/60 frames per second HDR video, delivering some of the most stunning drone footage available today. With its dual telephoto cameras, you get crisp, detailed zoom shots and unmatched versatility for cinematic storytelling. The drone also introduces DJI's 360-degree infinity gimbal, enabling dynamic camera angles and fluid movement that were impossible on previous models. The 0.1 Lux Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe flying even at night, making the Mavic 4 Pro a powerhouse for low-light aerial photography.